Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Armalin Evangelista, 45 years old. I'm from Philippines. I'm a high school graduate. I'm blessed because I have two children. The eldest son is 25 years old. The youngest son is 23 years old. My work experience in Singapore, my first employer is Indian vegetarian, 3 members of the family, 1 couple and 3-year-old boy. My duties and responsibilities: drop and pick up in school, playing, feeding, and teaching the homework. And also, I can do household like washing the clothes, washing the dishes, ironing, cleaning the house, cooking, marketing, sometimes car washing. I serving for the 2 years. I'm finished contract. My second employer here in Philippines and Filipino employer, 5 members of the family, 4 adult and 1-year-old boy. My duties and responsibilities: taking care of the baby, feeding, playing, changing the clothes, changing the diaper, and bathing. And also I can do household like washing the clothes, ironing, cooking, marketing, and sometimes car washing, gardening, and take care of the pet. And for my future employer, I will do my best to caring your baby as my own. I'm a hardworking, patient, honest, and trustworthy. I hope see you soon, ma'am and sir. God bless and thank you.